I'm Frank Luciani. I'm the founder of Inland Glass and Aluminum and Aluminum Curtain Wall Systems, Inc. Inland Glass is the construction arm. We take on projects as a subcontractor, and we take it on with the general contractor to supply and install the glass. ACS manufactures unitized curtain wall, and Inland Glass installs unitized curtain wall and curtain wall in general for clients. Well, the signature project that we have done that I'm extremely proud of, our team of people, from the design and engineering side, ACS side, to the installation side, the contract side of Inland Glass, is the Vancouver Convention Center. And if you ever get a chance, you got to go and have a look at it because it's gorgeous. We chose Kamloops now, say 40 years ago because of its location. What Kamloops allows us to do as both a contractor inland or as a manufacturer, ACS, is our location here that we can go east to Eastern Canada, Calgary, north up to Edmonton, Alberta, south down the Okanagan Valley in the United States, and then go west into Vancouver. The location allows us to bring in raw materials from offshore, and the cheapest transportation, of course, is by boat and freight. And then getting it up here is inexpensive because we're on the Trans-Canada Highway. And then we can ship our end product out of here. So it allowed for us a central location to work from. Business is done with people. I don't do it. I just started up, but I need people. And I need quality people. And the people that we have here are great because we deal with companies around the world to source product, and they have no problems in dealing with Europe and or Asia. So that's been a great benefit to us. When you start looking at the cost of land for industrial land for companies, that's a very big costly element. What we find is Kamloops, because of the benefits that it allows, friends of mine who are in Vancouver, they are better off to sell that industrial land and use it for development into condominiums, quite honestly, and then relocate up here. Because the property has become so valuable down in Vancouver that relocating here is a big advantage for them. And that's something the city is looking at new property, I understand, and that's a key. Because the Trans-Canada Highway here and the crossroads of going north and south, it's a big benefit to locate here and have industrial property here. Close to the city is why we located up here. As a matter of fact, the city has been very, very helpful to us. When we decided to build this building on this location, we put the package together that showed 3 phases that we wanted to build. The first phase, the second phase that we built as well. The third phase is to put a building on this side and on that side. We have already gone to the city and they pre-approved all of it for us. And this was right back 10 years ago. So during the first 10 years, we've done 2 phases of it. Today's community, the world has become so small that you really have to look at sourcing product throughout the world. And we as a company do that. We presently bring in product from Europe. We also bring in product from different parts of Asia, whether it be Korea, China, and the Philippines and other countries. We then have to communicate with them. And our staff that are here have been trained and work with people from around the world. And we use high-tech as much as we can in the way of Skype and Uvu to communicate with our clients and sources of supply. And we also source throughout the world new employees that way. So, and we do interviews. 2 of my best employees that I have here, we first interviewed them on a Skype process, and they were working in Dubai. So that, we are all part and parcel of that. Entrepreneurs who are starting in the manufacturing side and have a product that they are distributing, Kamloops area is a fantastic location for that because of the transportation that we have in here, whether it be road transportation and or railway transportation, or for the airlines in and out, you couldn't find a better spot to manufacture product here and then distribute in all directions.